Hey guys, it's Nails by Ray and welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are having a great day, and if you're new here, welcome to the dark side. In today's video, I'm creating these marble sunset nails with gold shimmer. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get on with this video. Alright y'all, so I'm trying something different today, and I'm not going to show the polygel application process. We're going to go straight into the nail design, and if you like the nails that are on my right hand right here, just check out my previous video and you'll see that tutorial. So right now I'm going to get into the design, and I'm getting my little mixing plate here, and I'm going to be using white and black gel polish colors that I have from my cart. Of course, everything I use will be linked below, and I'm going to put these colors down on the mixing plate and I'm going to mix them together.
What you wanna live, how you wanna spin, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I hear you can do what you wanna live, how you wanna spin, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I hear.
So now that the colors are all mixed, I'm using my Mia's Secret blooming gel, and I'm going to apply one coat of this to my nail, and we're not going to cure it yet because we want the colors to bloom across the nail. So while it's still, I guess, wet, then you apply the colors that I mixed together.
This in my driving bag, feeling pretty mixed up. This life shit ain't all bad. Blood and murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna live, how you wanna spin, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. I'm stunning till I you can do what you wanna live, how you wanna spin, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. I'm stunning till I
change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, yeah, I got one lawyer, got one in that there's the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in stock.
Alright, so time for the messiest part of the tutorial. I'm going to be using my well not old, but like unused makeup brushes to use these pigment powders and create like this sunset ombre design on my nails while they're still tacky from the gel polish I just put on. And make sure you have a napkin or something underneath you, because as you can see, the Cheeto dust falling off of my fingernail and falling off of the brush. And I don't know why I didn't think to put a towel down underneath before, because I have a white hand like stand underneath for my hand. I don't know, it just didn't make any sense, and I wasn't using my brain. But please use a towel and just have plenty of napkins nearby, because this is messy.
I was broke as hell, sleeping on the mattress. Felt like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatic. Ran it up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the VVs with a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses. Red bitch in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hundreds, got a cash fetish. I've been studying these hundreds, I'm a mathematic. In this love, make me wanna buy my dedicated. Since the love got me geeked up, I don't need a head. Drake gold, let these niggas know we've already. Sniffing clothes on my bitches, we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. But this tickle lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? She know she was overseas, they were patent leather. Shopping Tokyo, Japan, they the best ever. Blue bear t-shirt, sleeve button leather. Hot top, turn a vert, riding anywhere. Ain't got a bend down, this ain't a propeller. Man, we spend it down, copping Gucci sweaters. They the drippin' niggas drowning, I cannot help them. Used to boom, now the guys, we are not the devil. Got Colombia the ties out of Mexico. Spent the beds 100 times, still smell dope. Got some pimp, feel applying, feel like Velcro. My bitch fine and like shopping on Rodeo. I be if you don't want copy, it's a day, yo. Ain't stingy, my bro gonna get a payroll. I just want the pretty women in the peso. I can only hit the engine in this Lambo. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. But this tickle lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. But this tickle lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? New cool, I'm a space cadet. Yeah. Measure about 2 potatoes. Boom. Weezy dripping, got these nigga wet. We on the Boominati way. New cool, I'm a space cadet. Yeah. Measure about 2 potatoes. Boom. Weezy dripping, got these nigga wet. We on the Boominati way.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told Pooh, he a fool with the shit. Told her, don't let her friends know. In the Ville, and I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine of Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the West Coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch, she look like she go. She do. Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego. She heard of my deep stroke, she said, babe, does it hurt when I deep throat? Certified freak hoe, hang around dust, and she looking at my lingo. Back then, wasn't worried about me though. In the gym, trying to work on my freak though. Goddamn, spending money at the club like Sam's. Yes, ma'am, she a little freak on cam. She don't put this on the ground. Little boys trying to diss on the ground. Hey, I can't switch on the fam. Shit's hot, hit the switch on the fan. This what my head is. I feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged from sharing my blessings. We used to share a connection. Now it just feels like it's wearing and stretching. I'm getting real sick of taking advice. People that never can stare at reflections. Somewhere in there is a lesson. Y'all ain't involved in this, very depressing. I'm at the club with the basketball team. Me and the Cardinals are sharing the section. Got a chair as a present. I'm drinking water and wearing protection. Got a career and I'm very invested. Some people call it a scary obsession. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packed in. I'm digging her accent. I got a BB Simon belt on me and she tryna get it, I'm blasting. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they sat. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. We spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
Take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself.
So before I move on to the next part of my nail design, I'm going to seal in this pigment powder design with base coat, and I'm going to cure it for about 10 seconds.
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady.
So for the last part of the design, I'm going to be using this gold metallic painting gel. I've used the silver one on my channel before, a few videos back.
My love, so don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
So for this part, I had no idea of what I really wanted to do with the gold shimmer. I just knew it would fit with the design. So I'm using my liner brush from a cart and dipping it into my metallic gel. And then I'm going to make sure that every time I dip it into it, I just take off the excess so it doesn't create big blotches on the nail. And I'm creating random delicate lines. Some of them are thinner and some are a little wider, but they're all going to be random, and that's the whole point of the design.
Crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. In the mouth of a woman that could take your spot, my love. My love. My love. In the mouth of a woman that could take your spot, my love.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else will do like you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give it all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Alrighty, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys loved how these nails came out, and if you do, be sure to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe so you never miss any uploads from my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya!
They know I fuck with you. Far from my trust in you.